Okay, we're starting off the hike here in Stone Mountain, Georgia. Hungover again. Had some tequilas, had some beer. We had verses last night. We had a lot going on, but yeah, I usually have my sunglasses, hat, but I'm just going au natural. With the hike, let's get the stuff out of the system and go. We've reached a new plateau, and I think we're almost there, so we're gonna get into it.
It's all fun until you get hurt.
That far.
And then you gotta rehab.
Yeah.
We're here at the top of Stone Mountain, Georgia, and it's windy, but it's a good little hike. Windy, good little hike. Yeah, we're gonna walk down. We ain't gonna take the train, but yeah, man, this is it. All right, on my way back down from the hike. Stone Mountain. Now, we're not there yet, but would I rate this hike? I give it a good 7 out of 10. At the top, it's a whole bunch of nothing, but yeah, 7 out of 10. No rain today, so happy about that. Let's go. All right, check this out. This is Stone Mountain, Georgia. We're at the end of the hike for real. And so we went up there. So that's where we went up. Now we're back down here. This is the historical rock face of General Robert E. Lee. Yeah, man, this is some historical stuff, man. The Confederate military leader. He's in the lead pack of those soldiers right there. Crazy. Give the hike 7 out of 10. Man, I never seen so many black people hiking before. It was awesome. Here we are live from Stone Mountain, Georgia on a Sunday, and this is fall 2025.